ending with the next event. Are ready? Kind of a weird little noise there. Come on, let's keep this beat going. 1, 2, 3, let's keep it going, guys. We're going to throw in a few more sounds now. We're going to throw in a bass. But I want you to keep that beat going. Anybody out there want to see kids? Come on, make some noise. I can see the bottle rising, but it's not there yet, guys. Aberystwyth, make some noise, come on! Everybody, if you're not clapping your hands, I want to see them up in the air, come on! Everybody on this side, that's better! What about this side, come on! This is amazing, guys, amazing! Okay, I'm going to throw in one more sound now, it's a basketball foot squeak. You'll recognise this. The sound of a basketball is squeaking on the floor. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been amazing so far. We are just about to have kids in glass houses on this stage. If you make some more noise, that's not good. Make some noise! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, go crazy. Be your beat pads. We have kids in glass houses!
One, two, three, jump!